section 1. To start, you're just gonna give me 4 strong poses. It doesn't matter what kind of poses. Give me either cute, give me attitude, give me swag, whatever you can. 4 poses you choose as soon as the music starts. Then we're gonna go step touch. Pretty simple. Step, touch, step, touch. You bend your knees. You can dance if you bend your knees. Yes, that's it. We only need 4. The song says, what's your story? Because we all have a story, right? So you're going to take your hand across, like kind of like you're having a conversation with someone. You're going to be like, hey, what's your story? That's the hand for your feet movement. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Next step, we're going to go in. So I'm also taking my hands, like you're diving your hand into your heart. So you're going to go deep connection. Yes, you'll hear it in the words of the lyrics of the song. At the same time, you're going to bend your knee. In. Whichever hand you use, the same knee, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2. Then you're going to open up to 3. Ooh, see that lights? And then other side 4. So whatever you're doing right, you're doing left. We got that. Now point it to you, to yourself or to me, and then you're going to up. You're already up. You're going to sit down, up, down, up. Literally sit on a chair. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to look forward, criss, cross, criss, cross. We got it. One more step for this part, okay? For this section, we're going to reach up. I like to sort of reach up, then pull. There's this is go 1. Actually, this is 1, 2. So you're going to make a big reach. 3 and 4. Imagine you're reaching up to the sky, okay? And reach for all the dreams that you're achieving. Okay, I'm being very inspirational right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go circle around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle your body and switch side. You're going to reach again. Reach, pull, pull. Circle your body with your hands, kind of like you're showing your watch, and roll that watch, okay? Maybe you have multiple watches. Then we're going to do that 2 more times. So reach, pull, pull, around, round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times. After that, it gives me a little bit of, you'll hear a little bit of drum beat on the music, and you're just simply going to freestyle with the drums going da 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 da. That's it for section 1. Let's review everything from the top, put it together just like a Lego, okay? We're going to start with the poses. 5, 6, 7, 8. Give pose 2, 3, 4. Pose 6, 7, 8. Pose 2, 3, 4. Pose 6, 7, 8. What's your story? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go step. Touch, go step. Touch and step. Touch and step. Touch, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Open 6, 7, 8. Up, down, criss, cross, criss, cross. Reach, a pull, pull, circle, go reach. Pull, pull, circle, go reach. Pull, pull, circle, go reach. Pull, pull, circle. That's it. We got it. Section 1 is done. Okay, let's review section 2. Listen, you can make it your own, okay? Add your own flavor. I feel like that's what dance is supposed to be. Like, you should feel like you're dancing. You shouldn't feel like you're following me the whole time. I mean, you can take the guidance, but make it your own. And that's what makes dance the best, because it's so universal, you know? Okay, I talk too much. Section 2. This is the chorus part. We're going to point. I'm also using a little bit of body roll. And then as I do that, I'm going to take 2 steps to the back, okay? I'm using my right side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. So whatever you're doing right, you're doing left. Nice. Second one, we're going to put our hands like this, and we're going to imagine you have a friend right here and you're bumping the hips with your friend, okay? So you're going to jump, pop, a jump, pop, a jump, pop 4 times. We got that. That's 2 steps done. So the third one, so it's kind of like 3 runs for the third move, okay? So you're going to go run, 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 switch, run, run, run. Literally, you are kind of like running, but not really. You're using the same leg and you're switching your hands. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. From here, we're simply going to say, come down, you and I. Ta. Cool. When you say come down, you're going to hit the foot up. You're going to say come down, You're simply lifting one leg up. Doesn't matter which leg, whichever direction you want to do, okay? And if you're a girl and you really want to hit that hips, doesn't matter, even if you're a boy, you know what I mean? Everybody can use their hips. So you can also hit that bam on the come, okay? So you're going to go bam, tap, go, you and I. Yeah, if you're dancing with your friends, point it towards your friends. If you're dancing just you and I, point it towards me. I'm going to point it to you. Okay, cool. Section 2 is done. That's it. Let's review section 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5. 6. Go run. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, 7. Come. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and you and I. Done. Cool. Section 3. Not that hard, I promise. Easy again. All you're going to do is that you're going to swing that lasso 4 times and you're going to pull the kite 4 times. That's it. You're going to go one side, da-da-da, 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 switch 4 times to each direction, alternate. Ready? 5, 6. So I'm also kind of like, stomping the foot. You can too, okay? So I'm turning my direction each time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go lasso. 2, 3, 4. Pull the kite. 6, 7, 8. Go switch. 2, 3, 4, and a pull. 6, 7, 8. Go switch. 2, 3, 4, and a pull. 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, 7, 8. Perfect. One last move here. This is just in the slow section or slow part of the music. You can do your own, but I'll give you a little guidance and you make it your own, okay? All I'm doing is I'm going and making a little rainbow coming in and around to the other side, make it a layered rainbow to come in. We're going to do that one more time and down, up, and switch and down, up. And then we're going to go onto a little circle, kind of like feeling the vibes, you know what I mean? Like just feel the dance. Whatever you're feeling, go around, and that's it. Section 3 is done. Okay, and section 3 wasn't that bad. All we did is lasso and this little freestyle, right? Okay, we're gonna go everything from the top one time with no music, and then everything with music. All right, let's go with no music first from the poses. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, 7. Step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a crisscross. 7, 8. Reach. 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6. Bend your knees. Go reach. 2, 3, and a 4, and bend. Use your upper. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Go drums. 2, taka taka tak. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6. We jump 4 times. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6. Run, let's go. And a 1, 2, and a 3, and a double, single, single, double it out. Go, come back, and you and I. Lasso. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4. We pull. 6, 7, 8. Go switch. 2, 3, and a 4, and a pull. 6, 7, 8. Go switch. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a pull. 6, 7. Last time switch. 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5. 6, 7. It goes slow. 2, 3, 4 and a slow. 6, 7. It goes slow. 2, 3, 4 and rainbow. 6, 7. It go turn. 2, 3, 4. Boom. Done. That's about it. Let's do it with the music. Full out, have fun. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake. Mistakes makes it better. You know what I mean? Make it your own. Let me turn the music on.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.